question, the value of box means greatest integer function. Box of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1000 plus box of 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1000 plus box of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 1000 plus and so on plus box of 1 by 2 plus 999 by 1000 is what? Here the question is equal to box of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1000 plus box of 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1000 plus and so on plus box of, we are considering the middle values also, middle boxes also, 499 by 1000 plus box of 1 by 2 plus 500 by 1000 plus box of 1 by 2 plus 501 divided by 1000 plus and so on plus box of 1 by 2 plus 999 divided by 1000 divided by 1000. You come here. Actually, let us consider the first box. It is 0 point. It is 0 point. 1 minute. It is 0.5. It is 0.5. This one is 0.001. So 0.5 plus 0.001. 0.001. Of course, it is 00. Addition 0.501. Of course, it is less than 1. Okay, what is box of 0.501? Box means step function. It will take only integer. This is 0. Means what? Box of x value 0. If 0 less than, means 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Box of 1 equals to 1. Box of x value is equal to 1. If 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. These are the basic points. Once again, box of x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, box of means box of 0 is equal to 0. Box of 1 equal to 1. Box of x value 0 if x less than 1. Box of x value 1 if x less than 2, means lies between 1 to 2. So please make a note these points. These are the basic points. Thus the sum is, it is less than 1. That's why its box value is 0. Plus its value is also less than 1. Means what? It is 0.5 plus it is 0.002. Anyhow, it is less than 1. Therefore, its value is also 0. Similarly, third box value is also 0, and so on plus it is also less than 1. It is 0. You come here. 500 by 1000 means it is 500 1 2 बरोबर. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1. Box of 1 value 1 plus this value you can calculate at your home. This value 1 less than x less than 2. So its value is greater than 1 less than 2. Therefore its box value is 1. Similarly, next box value 1 and so on. Last its box value is 1. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on plus 1. Means from where we are getting 1? From this box. This box will contain 500, 501, next 502, 503 and so on up to 99. So 500, 501, 502 and so on 999, 999. How many numbers are there? Total numbers 500. That's why 1 plus 1 plus and so on up to 500 times. 500 times. So this is up to means this one up to 500 times. 500 times. So that is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Same number is adding. Same number is adding up to 500 times means into 500. That is equal to answer 500. So which option is right? Third option is right. Wait. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, answer is over. You can make a note. You can make a note. So box of x value here 0 if understand box of x equal to 0 if x 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 and box of x value is equal to 1 if 1 less than or equal to x less than 2 or 1 less than x less than 2. Okay, I wrote the same there. Okay, no problem. Now for this question, box of half plus x by 1000, x by 1000. It is not the formula, it is general observation. That is equal to, its value is 0. If 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 499. We did the same there. So that is equal to 1 if next number 500. 500 to 1000. It is 1. So we observe like that. Understand? Okay, 1 minute. Is equal to 1000 means 1000 by 1000 1 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Box of 1.5 is equal to 1. You please make a note. So therefore, for this question, box of same structure, half plus, just we are changing the numerator only in the second term. X by 1000 equal to 0 whenever it is x 0 to 499, and if it is 500 to 1000, its value, box value is equal to 1. You can make the note for this question, or you can follow this shortcut. This is a complete explanation. It is the shortcut. Okay, over. Next question. The range of sin square x plus cos to the power of 4x is what? This is the question. Actually, already I said there is no fixed method for finding the range in algebra. So let us first let us simplify the given function. Given function is sin square x plus cos to the power of 4x. So that is equal to, it can be sin square x plus cos to the power of 4 means it is cos square x into cos square x. So that is equal to sin square x plus, keep it up, cos square x same. Next, this cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. That is equal to sin square x plus cos square x into 1 cos square x minus cos square x into sin square x. Sin square x into cos square x. This is the best method to simplify the given trigonometric function. So that is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus, here let us multiply and divide by 4. It is 4 into sin square x into cos square x. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 into, it can be 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x whole square. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 into, in multiple angles, multiple and submultiple angles, 2 sin theta cos theta can be sin 2 theta. This is sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta means its whole square. So let it be, it is f of x. So f of x, the given function, is simplified as 1 minus 1 by 4 into sine square 2x. So therefore now by using basic formula, sine 2x already we did know sine theta lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Let it be, it is theta. Sine theta is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Gradually let us obtain whole square. So what does it mean? 0 less than or equal to sine square of 2x less than or equal to 1. It is not taking square throughout the inequation. It is not in the same sense. Just whenever some minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus a, then 0 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to a square. In the same sense, I wrote like that. Here a is equal to 1. So therefore here after sine square and 2x, the multiple will be 1 by 4. Therefore, let us multiply with 1 by 4 throughout the inequality. 1 by 4 into sine square of 2x less than or equal to 1 by 4 into 1. Thus, 0 into finite value 1 by 4, 0 less than or equal to 1 by 4 sine square of 2x less than or equal to 1 by 4. So that implies after that we shall obtain minus. So multiply with the minus throughout the inequation 0, then it will takes the reverse direction, minus 1 by 4 into sine square of 2x, it is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 4. So minus into 0, minus 0, 0, then on multiplying with the minus throughout the inequation, it will become, means actually it is less than or equal to, it will become greater than or equal to, then minus, 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 just like that. So minus 1 by 4 into sine square of 2x, next minus 1 by 4. Later this one 1, add 1 on both sides. So 0 plus 1 greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 sine square of 2x greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. It is nothing but adding 1 throughout the inequation. So it follows that 1 greater than or equal to, what is that? Simply f of x. This is f of x is greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. What does it mean? 3 by 4 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 1. Therefore, this is the lower bound or minimum value of f of x. It will be the upper bound or maximum value of f of x. Thus, f of x that belongs to closed interval of 3 by 4 comma 1. 3 by 4 comma 1. This is the minimum. It will be the maximum. It is nothing but range of the given function f of x. So therefore, for the trigonometric functions, almost all we reduce it. We must obtain the simplest form for the trigonometric functions. After that, by using basic formulae, it is better to find the range of the given function. This is some procedure for trigonometric functions. Okay, over. So which option is right? Second option is right. Hence the problem. It is next question. It is something different question. Find the range of it is a second degree expression in terms of x, y, z, just like that. But one easy way is there, and clearly we see that x square given expression x square plus 4y square means it is written as 2y whole square. 2y whole square. Okay. Plus 9z means 3z whole square. So there is some facility to write or to get easy form for the given function. Next, 6yz. 6yz means, you see here, 6yz. That 6yz can be written as 2y into 3z minus 3xz. 3xz means these two. See here, 3xz means x into 3z minus 2xy. 2xy means x into 2y. So it can be written as just like that. Let small a is equal to x, b equal to 2y, c is equal to 3z. Let it be like that. Then it becomes a square means given expression a square plus b square plus c square minus you see here this one ab, just I am trying to write in order. AB, next BC, next BC minus, it will be CA. We are very familiar with this value. So later it will be written as half into, just I am multiplying with 2 and dividing by 2. So it will be 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. So what? That is equal to half into this total sum can be written as a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. If possible, you can verify this. A minus b whole square is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Next, plus b minus c whole square is what? B square plus c square minus 2bc. Next, c minus c whole square is what? C square plus a square minus 2ac. So a square plus a square, 2a square. B square plus b square, it is 2b square. C square plus c square, it is 2c square. Next, minus 2ab is there, minus 2bc is there, minus 2ca is there. So therefore verified. So therefore this can be written as half into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. It is sum of the squares. It is always greater than or equal to 0 for all a comma b comma c that is belongs to any real number. You can put any 3 real numbers. It is true because it is squares. Squares means it should be positive. So sometimes sum may be is equal to 0. That's why there is the possibility to say that greater than or equals to 0. So therefore given expression should be greater than or equal to 0. Let it be, this is some function capital F. So that implies capital F should be greater than or equal to 0. That means what? Capital F belongs to closed interval of 0 to infinity open. How? This is real line. It is 0. Greater than 0 means this area up to infinity. Is equal to means we are taking closed interval. Therefore, that's why it is a closed interval of 0, open, infinity. So which option is right? Third option is right. Over. Hence the problem. Next question. The domain of the function f of x equal to 1 divided by root of fractional part of x plus fractional part of sin x plus fractional part of sin of pi plus x is what? This is the given question. Okay. Number 1. if the given function is of the form 1 divided by square root of g of x, it is function type. Next, what is its domain? Domain formula capital R minus the set of this g of x, the values of x, so that g of x is equal to 0. This is our answer, capital R minus the set of values of x, so that g of x equal to 0. So our aim is to find the values of x, so that this value means root of or fractional part of sin x plus fractional part of sin of pi plus x equal to 0. It is our aim. Okay. First, let g of x equal to fractional part of sin x plus fractional part of sin of pi plus x. So first simplify it. That is equal to fractional part of sin x plus fractional part of minus sin x. It is our given g of x. Now, according to this standard formula, we have to find the values of x, so that this g of x equal to 0. Okay. First, I wish to explain the definition and some little bit of properties about fractional part of x. Actually, you come here. The fractional part of you come here. Fractional part of x is denoted by bracket function x, just like that. Okay, it is defined as x minus box of x. This is called fractional part of x, and we know that point number 1, this x minus step x always lies between 0 to 1 only, and it may be equal to 0 if x is integer. Okay, this is the first point. Next, second point. Okay, here that means what? That is 0 less than or equal to simply fractional part of x is less than 1. Okay, whereas fractional part is equal to this one, x minus box of x. Next, second one, fractional part of x plus fractional part of minus x is equal to, that means what? Fractional part of x means x minus box of x. Next, plus, you come here, plus, what is this? Fractional part of means x minus x minus box of minus x. Just we are writing instead of x minus x. Replace minus x instead of x. That's all. So that is equal to, anyhow, plus x minus x cancel. So it remains minus step of x minus step of minus x. It is called fractional part of x plus fractional part of minus x. Now we discuss the value of this expression minus step x minus step of minus x. For example, take x is integer. For example, we will take x equal to 3. Then it will become minus step 3. Next, minus step of minus 3. That is equal to minus step of 3 is equal to 3 minus this one is step of minus 3 is minus 3. So that is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 3. That is equal to 0. What I am telling that its value is 0 if x belongs to integer I or z. We can represent with both. So I or z, we can represent with I or z. So that is equal to. Next, let us take x equal to some decimal number. decimal system 3.1. So what about this? So minus box of x value 3.1 minus box of minus 3.1. So that is equal to minus. Already I said about the definition of step x. So box of 3.1 is it will take only integer. That's why it is called as integer function. Minus bracket. What is its value? It's left side integer, next coming immediate integer minus 4. That is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus 4. That is equal to plus 1. So it is equal to 1 if x not belongs to integer. X not belongs to integer. So therefore, fractional part of x plus fractional part of minus x value equal to 0 if x belongs to integer. That is equal to 1 if x not belongs to integer. This is the inference or just some synopsis or explanation for fractional part function. Okay, we have to remember this formula. Just I said the proof with some beautiful example. Later you come here. So g of x equal to minus fractional part of sin x plus the set of means fractional part of minus sin x. So compare this function with this. So g of x equal to, now we are finding the values of x for the equation g of x equal to 0. G of x equal to 0 means that when x belongs to I, then its sum is 0. Means that x means instead of x here sin x is there. Okay, sin x that is belongs to capital I. What I am telling that whenever sin x value belongs to integer, then only this total sum of fractional parts equal to 0. Now let us consider sin x graph. Sin x graph means in sin x graph clearly we see that just like that this is a minus 1 minimum value minus 1, this one is plus 1, next 0, it is minus 1, 0, plus 1. So here sin x is taking only 3 integers 0, 0, or minus 1 or plus 1 with the help of graph. So sin x belongs to I means how many ways are there? Sin x is equal to either 0 or 1 or minus 1. So here we have to write the general solution for number 1 sin x equal to 0, number 2 sin x equal to 1, number 3 sin x equals to minus 1. So clearly we see that from the graph x equal to n pi by 2 comma n belongs to z or n belongs to I. What I am telling that, for example, n equal to n integer means first to take 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on, later negative values minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. These are the definition of n. First put n equal to 0. N equal to 0 means 0 into pi by 2, x equal to 0. So by putting x equal to 0, sin x is 0. Okay. Next means what? Sin x equal to 0, general solution is here. Next take n equal to 1. N equal to 1 into pi by 2, sin pi by 2. Here sin pi by 2, it is x equal to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1. So therefore sin x equal to 1, then general solution is here. Next similarly for n equal to 2, 0, 2 to cancel sin pi, x equal to pi. Put x equal to pi, sin pi value is 0. Next put n equal to 3 pi by 2. Here it is 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 means its value is minus 1. This is minus 1. So therefore the general solution for sin x belongs to I or integer is that x equal to n pi by 2 comma for all n belongs to z. So this is called the general solution for the above equation. or g of x equal to 0. Hence domain of f simply D stands for domain suffix f. This is called domain of f. This is the notation is equal to what we wrote here, capital R. Capital R means real number set minus the set of x, values of x, so that g of x equal to 0. What is the solution for g of x equal to 0 here? N pi by 2. So it is n pi by 2 comma n belongs to z. N belongs to z. So this is the final solution. Where is that? It is in fourth option. Hence the problem.